Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another colorful tutorial for you guys. You guys like? So today I am using, let me grab it. I'm using the Saharan 2 palette by Juvia's Place. I purchased all the palettes and I have been a hoarder and not using them. So I am wanting to use more color, wanting to use more of my palettes. And how can I not start out with these considering that they are from Jersey. Their headquarters is from Jersey. They're about an hour and a half away from me. So if I really wanted to drive up to the headquarters and pick up my orders, I could because I love them so much. I own all their palettes at this point, and today I wanted to do a tutorial using this palette right here, which I understand is not everyone's cup of tea. I am a lover of neutrals as well as bright colors. You guys know I have an infatuation with bright, bold colors. I've said it for years since I started my channel. My very first makeup look was a blue look. So I am not afraid of color. I really enjoy it and I'm embracing it all over again. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. There are so many smoky neutral eyes out there, so many natural looks that I want to do something different. And not everyone's gonna like this, not everyone's gonna rock this, but I just want to inspire you to either use more color, inspire you just to get out of seeing the same makeup tutorials over and over and over and just see something different on YouTube. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and if you want to see how to get this look, just stay tuned. Okay guys, so for today we are going to use, I'm trying to use more of my Juvia's Place palettes. I bought them all, I own all the eyeshadows, and I have not had the chance to use them on camera. Now that we're in spring and summer, I am back to my colorful looks. I am away from the neutral shades, as you guys have been noticing. So today I want to use the Saharan 2 by Juvia's Place. This one I picked because it's different, and I really haven't seen too many people use this one. I have seen the Masquerade one over and over, so I'm going to try to do one look with all the palettes of this brand. But first we're going to go with this one. As you guys can see, I haven't even touched it, and most of them are like that, but I'm going to do my best to use them more. So I am going to first start out with this color named Taza, which is right here, and I'm going to put this in our crease and concentrate it. Now these are very, very pigmented, so I will be packing it on first, then blending it out. I'm gonna grab my blending brush and I'll blend this out as best as I can. Okay, so now I'm gonna mix this color right here in Zora. I think this red one right here. Now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to keep this more in the crease area and kind of the lid part. Crossing my fingers that this works out well because you never know. As you guys see, I'm not really precise on the lid, as you guys can tell, like there and right there. It's okay because we're going to place another color on top. I'm going to go with Marrakesh, which is this one right here. It's like a duochrome pinky orange. Depending on how you look at it, it's like a duochromy kind. It is not as like metallic as, like, for instance, this one right here. But I am going to use this one with the finger because I have a feeling it's going to do a lot better with the finger. Gonna go back with that same brush and just blend out the edges. I'm gonna grab the orange one again with a tad of the red and bring this down into our crease right here. Then for the inner part of the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with that same color, same brush, and just very close to the lash line. That brush that we used on our upper lash line, nothing on the brush. I didn't add anything else. I'm just going to blend this out a little bit. For the waterline, I'm actually going to go with a purple. This is Urban Decay's Riot, which is this purpley color. I'm going to go ahead and put this in my waterline. I am going to do my liner. I'm going to do my lashes. And then we're going to come back for everything else on the face and lips. Okay, now we've done the eyes. I have learned that I'm going to have to get more dramatic eyelashes for my dramatic look because I kind of feel like my eyes are naked. But finish the eyes up. For the cheeks, since we did kind of like a corally eye, I'm going to go with this Makeup Forever blush. This is a sample blush in B302. It is like a peachy pink. It reminds me of Nara's Orgasm. So I'm going to go ahead and just place this on our cheeks. For highlighter, this is new to my collection and you probably already seen this in a haul. I finally found the Aurora Glow palette at my local TJ Maxx where it wasn't touched, ruined, broken, nothing. And I've been wanting this, but I never wanted to pay full price for it because of the fact that I knew these are colors that I'm not really going to use too much of. I love the Becca ones that are like this, where they're duochrome, different colors. I have never tried this type from Anastasia, so we're going to give it a shot. And I think today I'm going to play it safe, and I'm going to go with Eclipse, which is this one right here. If you guys can see that with the lighting, but I'm going to go with that one. I'm going to add a little bit into the inner corner. I'm going to spray my face. Grab my beauty blender and just kind of blend in the highlighter. Kind of like that. For lips. Now for lips, I think I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to use my Urban Decay Wicked, which is my panning one that I'm using up. And I think I'm going to go with this color right here, which is Colourpop's Ultra Satin Lip in Naked Ladies. I haven't used my Ultra Satin Lips in a long time. I think I only own 2 mattes at this point, and a mini, maybe 2 minis, and then all satin. So I think I'm going to go with this one just to match. It kind of do a duochrome kind of thing. So I'm going to go ahead and line my lips and fill them in as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I know it may not be everyone's cup of tea, but I really like it. It's kind of like a monotone, all bright oranges. I had no clue what I was gonna film, and most of the time I don't, hence the reason why my shirt may not really match my makeup, but oh well, right? Thank you guys so much for watching. Any requests for any other palette, please leave them down in the comments section. I'll be more than happy to do that. Thank you again for watching and all of your support. I will catch you guys in my next video, and don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye guys.